Hello everybody, this is Steven from Frostbite Development, and today is a very special day kicking off a Java development series. So, like anything, you have to start from the very basics. In this case, we're going to be downloading and installing two very important programs. First is the Java JDK. What this is a set of tools that we will need to program with Java. You're going to click on the first result, which is a link to oracle.com. If you don't know, Oracle makes Java, or the link in the description. Gonna click on Java, the left option, and accept license agreement. Now you're gonna download and install whichever file is the right one for you. You're gonna pause this video, and once it's downloading and installing, you're just gonna click the play button on this video, and we will continue on where we left off. Alright, now that you're done installing the JDK, we'll have to see if it works. Now you're just going to have to open Command Prompt, or CMD on Windows, for your appropriate OS. If you don't know how to do this, just go on to Google and just search how to open it. You'll be sure to find it. You're just going to type in Java C. Now, most users, like me, have an unrecognizable command and it can't find anything. We will fix this in a second, but if you do have lots of words and lines, skip the next minute because that's what we will be fixing. So you're just going to X out of that and go into your Explorer. Now click on Local Disk Program Files Java. That's the stock place to install and most likely where you installed it. If you put the JDK anywhere else, you're going to have to go into that directory. Now click on JDK and bin. Now you can take any of these files and right click and go to Properties. Now right here there will be a location. You're just going to want to highlight that and Command C, or if you want, right click Copy. Now that we have the location of our JDK, we're going to go back over here to the left, click on Computer, and go to Properties. Now you will need to be admin to do this, so get admin permission. Click on Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, click New. Then type in capital PATH, or path. In the variable value, you're going to go Command V, or if you want, you can just do paste. Click OK, OK, OK. Now you can just X out, and then you can open up your command prompt again and open the same command we did earlier, Java C. Now you will have all these lines, which means it is working, and you can move on to installing Eclipse. Now, Eclipse is called an IDE, or Integrated Developer Environment. Sorry about that, it can get a little mixed up and tongue-tied. So basically, this is where you're going to program, and it's kind of like has the UI and makes it more simpler to interface to. So you're just going to go here, and for me it says Windows, all that, because I am on Windows, as you can tell. You're just going to go Eclipse Standard, and for me it's 64-bit. You're just going to click on Download. Then you're just going to click on the first link, and then it'll start downloading. Now, I will pause this and play once it's done downloading. Now that you have downloaded the Eclipse zip file, you're just going to extract it and put it in the directory you want. Then you're just going to right click the exe and go to Pin to Taskbar, so it'll be at the bottom for you, which is very easy. So you're just going to click it and open it. Now, for me, I have a designated folder for my Eclipse workspace. It'll choose one for you. If you want one, you can just go to Browse and go whatever disk and folder you want. Click OK. Now we'll load up Eclipse. For me it's fairly quick. For some people it might be slower. And you will come up with a screen. Usually we'd have the help screen, but I've opened Eclipse before. So next video we will dive into Eclipse, how to use it, and write our very first program. Until then, see you later.